Hello friends. Today I am here to share about World Migratory Bird Day. It is celebrated every year on second Saturday of October. Also in most of the countries it is celebrated on second Saturday in the month of May. World Migratory Bird Day seeks to raise awareness about migratory birds. Migratory birds are those who migrate to different regions either to avoid harsh weather or to breed. This migration is not only important for their survival, but it is also important for our society. Migratory birds are responsible for spreading seeds, pollinating flowers, and acting as pest control. This day aims to educate us about the threats migratory birds face as well as the importance of protecting them. Now let's get to know about this World Migratory Bird Day in short. Now let's get to know about this migratory birds in short. Migratory birds fly hundreds and thousands of kilometers to find the best ecological conditions and habitats for feeding, breeding and raising their young. When conditions at breeding sites become unfavorable, it is time to fly to regions where conditions are better. There are many different migration patterns. The majority of birds migrate from northern breeding areas to southern wintering grounds. However, some birds breed in southern parts of Africa and migrate to northern wintering grounds. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and across long distances. It is truly amazing how migratory birds can navigate with pinpoint accuracy. It has been shown that they are able to orient by the sun during the day, by the stars at night, and by geomagnetic field at any time. Now let's get to know about the threats that these birds face for their survival. Climate change. One cause of the decline in populations is climate change caused by global warming. Habitat loss. By far the largest threat to birds is the loss of habitat. Deforestation, the draining of wetlands, planting of non-native trees, the loss of areas to urban developments and intensive agriculture are major threat to birds. Invasive alien species. Alien invasive species have damaged bird populations in some parts of the world, particularly those that occupy islands. Oil spills. Oil spills constitute a major threat to birds too, particularly for those that spend a lot of time on surface of water, such as loons, alcids and waterfowl. Unsustainable harvest. Unsustainable harvest and poorly enforced laws lead to the killing of millions of birds around the world. Wind farms. Ill-advised wind energy development can have a negative impact on bird populations as well. Biofuel plantations. Biofuels threaten to drive large and possibly rapid changes in land use. Converting large amounts of croplands for biofuel production will result in loss of high-value bird habitats such as wetlands, wet meadows, grasslands and scrub. Plastic pollution. Plastic waste is another serious risk to bird population. Now, moving on to the importance of protecting migratory birds. Migratory birds are used as biodiversity indicators. Migratory birds are excellent indicators of the state of our environment. Like many other species, their migration patterns match their needs regarding the availability of resting, breeding and feeding sites. They are used as health wardens. They play an important part in the ecosystem. They eat the insects and rodents, which saves farmers money they would otherwise spend on pesticides and crop protection measures. They are used as pollinators. Migratory birds perform important ecological regulating services. They have a vital role in seed dispersion and flower pollination. They help us to restore wetlands, and countries need wetlands to supply drinking water to millions of people. They also help in ecotourism. Bird watching is a highly popular recreational activity and greatly contributes to the growing global ecotourism industry. Now, moving on to the little history behind this World Migratory Bird Day. It was initiated in 2006 by the Secretariat of the Agreement on the Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Waterbirds in collaboration with the Secretariat of the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals. Now let's get to know about creating the awareness on this day. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this World Migratory Bird Day to create awareness. There are many ways for people to voice their support for bird conservation and to celebrate and share their appreciation for migratory birds in countries, cities, towns and villages around the world. Many gatherings of school group and other public events takes place in city parks, wetlands and other places around the world. Use your social media channels to share your appreciation of migratory birds and the need for their conservation with the world. Create a book club or run a virtual reading session for children with stories where the main characters are our beloved birds. Launch or participate in photographic contests like Birds in Your Garden or City. Host craft lessons that allow people to learn about birds. Reach out to the bird specialist in your country such as the local BirdLife Partners or AFTA and host virtual conferences to expand on the subject of ecosystem connectivity and importance of birds. Donate your time and support to an organization that supports bird conservation. Provide good habitat for your local birds by planting bird-friendly trees or shrubs. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this World Migratory Bird Day and also about the history and importance of celebrating this World Migratory Bird Day. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.